Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
Did you finish your homework?
No, not yet.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am.
Did you pack your school bag?
Yes, I did.
Did you forget your backpack?
No, I didn't.
Do you have a test today?
Yes, I do.
Are you studying for your test?
Yes, I am.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. Can I help you with your homework?
Yes, thank you.
Can you read the sentence? Yes, I can. Can you write your name?
Of course.
Did you finish reading the book? Yes, I did. Did you understand the lesson?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand the question?
No, I didn't. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I am.
No, not yet.
Yes, I do.
I can. I can.
Yes, I can. I can learn it again.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Do you have an eraser?
No, I don't.
Where is your notebook? It's on my desk. Where is your school bag?
It's by the door.
Can you open your book? Sure.
Can you close your book?
Yes.
What subject do you like?
I like English.
Do you like math?
Yes, I do.
Do you like science?
No, I don't.
Who is your teacher?
Mrs. Brown is my teacher.
Is your homework difficult?
No, it's easy.
Is your homework easy?
Yes, it is.
Can you spell this word?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Yes, I am.
No, not yet.
Yes, I do.
I can. I can.
Yes, I can. I can learn it again. Can you say it again?
Sure.
Did your teacher give you homework?
Yes, she did.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, I am.
Are you listening carefully? Yes, I am. Can you answer this question?
I'll try.
Did you study yesterday?
Yes, I did. Did you study last night?
No, I didn't. What time does school start?
It starts at 8 o'clock.
What time do you finish school?
At 3 o'clock.
Did you bring your lunch?
Yes, I did. Did you forget your lunch? No, I didn't.
Can you do it by yourself?
Yes, I can.
Do you need more time?
Yes, I do.
Are you done studying? Yes, I am.
Can we take a break?
Yes, we can. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I am.
Did you get a good grade?
Yes, I did.
Are you excited for school tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Did you learn something new today?
Yes, I did.
What did you learn today?
I learned new English words.
Are you ready to study?
Yes, let's start.
Can we study together? Yes, I'd love